Erica Staunton, sumagot na sa komento ni Creamline assistant coach Carlos Santos. Erica Staunton, maituturing na rookie bilang import pero kinaiinggitan ng isang veteran spiker na si Kat Bell. Creamline, binash noon pero number 1 na ngayon. Umalingaw ngayon sa 4 na sulok ng social media ang negatibong komento ni Creamline assistant coach Carlos Santos. Patungkol ito sa analysis niya para sa 2024 reinforcement ng CCS na si Erica Staunton. And I quote, hindi siya ganun kalakas compared to other import. Umani ng samot-saring komento ang netizen sa makahulugang komento at opinyon ng assistant coach. Tila sinagot naman ni Staunton ang pahayag ni Santos sa pamamagitan ng kanyang performance sa Creamline. Nagtala ng 20 big points si Staunton sa kanilang opening game versus PLDT. 26 big points versus Farm Fresh. 21 big points naman ang naitala ng American import versus Cherry Tigo, kung saan hinangaan at kinainggitan nito ng Cherry Tigo import at isa sa pinakamahusay na import ngayon sa PVL na si Kat Bell.
I'm kind of jealous of Erica because I didn't get a chance to play fully with Pons. I'm not sure if you guys know, when me and Pons played together, it came a chance where she had to choose between indoor and sand. And so she obviously is amazing in sand as well. And so she went to go play outdoors. So I'm so jealous that Erica gets the chance to play with her. Pons is absolutely amazing. Like, she's just so crafty. She's like an artist, you know. There's also some things that I also picked up from Pons, and I got a chance to play with her as well. So she's going to be Pons. She's going to be what that is, for sure.
Sa huling laban ni Erica against Galleries Tower High Riser, ay muling ipinamuka ng 6'1" outside hitter na mali ang naging opinyon ni Coach Carlo. Nagtala ng remarkable 29 big points si Staunton na itinanghal na player of the game. Dahil sa panalo ay ranked number 1 na ang Creamline Co-Smashers sa Group A ng Liga. Produkto ng Ateneo Men's Volleyball si Assistant Coach Carlos Santos. Matagal na rin ito bilang assistant coach ng Creamline. Naway maging leksyon ang issue na ito against Erica Staunton. Never ever judge a book by its cover. Maituturing na isang rookie import si Erica Staunton, the first time mag-import overseas, matapos ang short stint nito sa Finland. Isang player na wala pang karanasan makapaglaro outside United States, isang manlalaro na bubutman sa karanasan, ay huwag natin basta-basta huhusgahan. Mabuhay ka, Erica Staunton!
Yeah, I think it feels really good. Obviously, this was a super important game, and I don't think at any point we felt like we had that game in the bag. I think Galleries put up a really good fight. Their defense was insane. So really just trying to stay aggressive and trust our system, and just play clean volleyball because we knew that they weren't going to make so many errors, so we had to make sure that we didn't make any errors as well.
For Erica and Dalia, how did you motivate yourselves inside the court when Galleries was putting up a gallant stand against you guys?
I think for me, I've just kind of realized that it's important to stay calm and to really settle down in between points. So even with the long rallies, I think energy can get up, nerves can get up, and just really making sure that you kind of reset in between each point so that you can go into the next one with a clear mind and just really focus on the simple things.